First, think about this. When the movie ends, it just stops by itself. You don't control it. The credits roll, and boom, it's the end. But when you finish something, you do it. Like, I finished my pizza. Nobody else eats it for you. Number one, the movie will blank at 9 o'clock. Okay, does the movie stop by itself or do you complete it? It stops, so the answer is end. Number two, I need to blank my sandwich before class. You're the one eating, right? You complete it, so let's finish. Number three, the party will blank at midnight. The party just stops at midnight. You don't control it. That's end. Number four, did you blank your homework yet? Homework is a magic. It doesn't stop by itself. You must complete it. So it's finished. Number five, my vacation will blank next week. Vacations come and go by themselves. So the answer is end. Number six, she didn't blank her coffee. It's still half full. She's drinking it, so she needs to complete it. The answer is finish. Number seven, the football game will blank soon. Games start on their own when the time is up, so it's end. Number eight, he can't go out until he blank cleaning his room. That's his job, so it's finished. Okay, so end means something stops by itself, and finish means you complete it. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, and I work super hard making this lesson. So please like and subscribe. It really helps me keep going. I'll see you next time. Bye.